A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall continue with our sources of short term finance for a joint stock company. In yesterday's online class, we did two methods or two sources of short term source of finance for a joint stock company. They were bank credit and public deposit. Today we shall be completing with our last four headings. First one is trade credit. Trade credit is basically credit extended by one business firm to another. One business firm means by one seller to another to any other buyers. So, trade credit is basically credit extended by a seller to buyers only when there is sale or purchase of good and services. The firm which buys goods or services can receive the goods, but payment can be made in future. That means it is not required to pay immediately. Credit can be given or payment can be made within 15 days to 3 months from the date of purchase. Trade credit is also popularly known as mercantile credit. And one advantage of this method is that no security is given. Factors which determine credit are goodwill of the buyer. That means if a buyer has good reputation in the market, he may opt for trade credit. Secondly, amount and frequency of purchase. मतलब वो कितनी अमाउंट का और कितने बार कितनी बार वो परचेज करता है सेलर से गुड्स. थर्ड, डिग्री ऑफ कंपटीशन. In case if there is a tough competition in the market, तब sellers trade credit करते हैं. Just in case if there is no competition in the market, then trade credit के chances कम होते हैं. Last, nature of product. Product का nature किस type का product है, whether it is a consumer goods, producer goods, etc. Merits of trade credit are: first, it is simple and convenient. नो इंटरेस्ट इज़ पेबल. हम 15 डेज़ के बाद पेमेंट करें या 3 मंथ्स के बाद पेमेंट करें, द सेलर डज नॉट चार्ज एनी इंटरेस्ट ऑन इट. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, नो सिक्योरिटी इज़ प्लेज्ड and it is more economical than a bank loan. However, trade credit suffers from following disadvantages. First, prices charged for credit sales are higher. There are chances of bad debts. Bad debts, you know कि आज हमने कहा कि हम आपको प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि हम आपको पैसा दे देंगे, बट इन फ्यूचर द पार्टी रिफ्यूजेस टू मेक पेमेंट. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड बैड डेट्स. थर्ड, सप्लायर रिक्वायर्स लार्ज वर्किंग कैपिटल. क्यों? Because he is selling goods on credit and purchasing goods on cash. So that means supplier requires large capital. Last, buyer loses cash discount. तो this is from the point of view of buyer कि जब आप goods खरीदते हो trade credit में, तो you cannot avail cash discounts. Next source of short term finance is installment credit. इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट एज अ नेम सजेस्ट आप पेमेंट इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में देते हो. दिस फैसिलिटी या दिस मेथड बेसिकली रेफर्स टू द फैसिलिटी ऑफ बाइंग फिक्स्ड एसेट ऑन क्रेडिट. मतलब आपने आज एसेट खरीदा एंड यू कैन मेक पेमेंट इन फ्यूचर. हाउएवर अंडर इंस्टॉलमेंट, लेकिन अगर फ्यूचर में पेमेंट होती तो then it becomes similar to trade credit. So basic difference between trade credit and installment credit is कि trade credit में हम entire payment we make in future, Whereas in installment credit, part payment means मान लो अगर 100 रुपीज़ है तो उसका कुछ परसेंटेज वी पे इट एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी विच इज़ कॉल्ड डाउन पेमेंट, एंड बाकी की पेमेंट द बैलेंस इज पेड इन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. इस मेथड में सप्लायर चार्जेस इंटरेस्ट, वेयर एज अंडर ट्रेड क्रेडिट में सप्लायर डिड नॉट चार्ज एनी इंटरेस्ट. Under installment credit में ownership of asset remains with the seller till the last payment is made. Merit of installment credit is that firm can use the asset without making the complete payment, and जब उस asset से वो profit या revenue generate करेगा तो उसी से प्रॉफिट से या रेवेन्यू से ही कैन पे बैक द इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. डीमेरिट ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट इज दैट हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज्ड. सो होपफुली यू गॉट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेड क्रेडिट एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट. बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है? बेसिक कि ट्रेड क्रेडिट में पूरी अमाउंट फ्यूचर में दी जाती है, वेयर एज इन इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट पार्ट पेमेंट इज मेड एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी एंड बाकी का बैलेंस इज पेड इन इंस्टॉलमेंट. एंड सेकेंड डिफरेंस ये है, ट्रेड क्रेडिट में देर इज़ नो चार्जिंग ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, वेयर एज इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट में इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज्ड बाय द सप्लायर. आर नेक्स्ट मेथड और नेक्स्ट सोर्स ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म फाइनेंस इज फैक्टरिंग. You must have heard the word bills receivable. So in this method, finance is raised through the sale or mortgage of book debts. Book debts means आपका bills receivable या accounts receivable. तो हम bills receivable को we either sell it or we mortgage it. हमें अगर हम when we mortgage this bills receivable to a finance company, so finance company makes payment up to 60% of accounts receivable. मतलब अगर bills receivable 100 रुपीज़ का है तो finance company will give you only ₹60. Merit of this method is that business concern is relieved of the cost and effort of collecting debts and bad debts losses. Whereas demerit is, it is expensive method because account receivable have to be sold at a heavy discount. Discount आपने देख लिया, only 60% amount is received, तो means 40% का it is discount. Next method is customer advances. Customer advances में advance word, what do you mean by advance word? Advance means making payment पहला and getting goods in future. तो this method represents part payment या part of the price of the goods ordered या booked by the customer is given to be supplied at a later date. and ये मेथड हम उन प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं which are generally available in short supply or which involve a waiting period for delivery. For example, cars या automobiles. A nominal interest is charged. Therefore, merit is it provides working capital to the firm. Demerit is this facility is available to the firm manufacturing durable products. As I told you, automobile industries के साथ. Next is our last heading, intercorporate deposit. Corporate means companies. तो when companies मतलब अपने आप में ही they help each other. When one company which has abundant finance provides money to a company with short finance, it is called intercorporate deposit. Thus, when a company borrows funds for a short from another company which has surplus funds, it is called intercorporate deposits. These deposits are basically unsecured, and merits are it is convenient because no formalities are involved. बोरोवर की आइडेंटिटी इज़ नॉट डिस्क्लोज्ड, इंटरेस्ट रेट जो होता है इट इज़ बेसिकली लोअर than the rate of interest which is payable to banks and financial institution. However, disadvantage is this method or this source can be benefited by only reputed companies. Thank you. With this, the chapter ends, and tomorrow we would be starting with our next chapter, that is banking trends. Thank you.